United States. With a market cap of $25.62 million and a forward PE of 2.1, today it surged due to an astounding 3,364 times average volume, indicating heavy unusual interest, driven by momentum identified by the early scanner. Over the past month, the stock is up 45.6%, but it's down 62% over the last 6 months, sitting near a 52-week range of $2.13 to $13.50. Currently priced at $3.61, it's above the planned entry of $3.50, targeting profit target 1 of $5.25 and profit target 2 of $7. Watch the $3.50 level closely. Over the next month, it's expected to range between $1.91 and $5.31. And over the year, from $0 to $9.53. Overall, it's constructive if it holds above entry, while targeting the upside. Eastern International Ltd provides logistics services in China, focusing on various industries including renewable energy. With a market cap of $13.35 million and a PE ratio of 6.9, it saw a 9.47% increase today on a remarkable 1,749 times average volume, indicating heavy unusual interest. The early scanner flagged it as a potential runner. Over 1 month, it's up 22.4%, but down 48.5% over the past year, with a 52-week range of $0.82 to $2.97. Priced at $1.04, it's currently below the planned entry of $1.4391, with profit target 1 at $2.1587 and profit target 2 at $2.8782. Keep an eye on the planned entry. Expected price ranges show potential between $0.67 and $1.41 in the coming month, and up to $2.35 over the year, making a cautious scenario essential if it rebounds from this dip. Yimutian International Corporation is a designer and manufacturer of stainless steel commercial kitchen equipment in China. With a market cap of $3.96 million, today it experienced a slight decline of 3.28%, despite heavy unusual interest reflected by 14 times average volume. It's been flagged as a potential runner by the early scanner. In the past month, shares are up 32.3%, yet it remains down 98.3% over the year, trading within a 52-week range of $0.77 to $174. Currently at $1.18, it's above the planned entry of $1.05. Profit target 1 is set at $1.575, while profit target 2 is at $2.10. The next key level to watch is the planned entry, with expected 1-month price action ranging from 47 cents to $1.89, and a year-long outlook from $0 to $3.61. Long-term optimism depends on maintaining this support. WBUY Co., Ltd. provides health and consulting services in Japan. With a market cap of $33.61 million and a PE ratio of 291.0, today it rose 3.56% on heavy unusual interest amounting to 13 times average volume, driven by a $3.2 million agreement on international labor support, leading to interest flagged by the early scanner. Over the month, shares have gained 51.6%, but they remain down 27.2% over the prior year, reflected in a 52-week range of $1.84 to $9.12. Currently priced at $2.91, the stock is below its planned entry of $3.89, aiming for profit target 1 at $5.83 and profit target 2 at $7.78. Monitor the next key level at the planned entry. Expected ranges project 84 cents to $4.98 over the next month, and up to $10.10 within the year. Holding above current levels will favor a stabilization towards targets. Yimutian Inc. specializes in digital asset treasury management, focusing on BitTensor, a decentralized protocol. With a market cap of $5.77 million, its shares increased by 9.87% today, driven by 36 times average volume, indicating significant interest. The stock was identified as a potential runner by the early scanner. In the past month, it's down 10.2%, with a 1-year decline of 31.6%, while trading within a 52-week range of $0.67 to $5.32. Currently priced at $1.67, it sits below the planned entry of $2.28, targeting profit target 1 at $3.42 and profit target 2 at $4.56. Key price to watch is the planned entry. Anticipated price movement over the next month is expected between $1.12 and $2.22, and up to $3.57 within a year, pushing for a recovery forward. Baosheng Media Group Holdings Limited offers online marketing solutions in China. With a market cap of $4.56 million, shares experienced a 3.12% increase today, due to significant interest evidenced by 136 times average volume, flagged as a runner by the early scanner. Over the past month, it is up 9.4%, but is down 11.9% over the last year, with a 52-week trading range of $2.29 to $4.86. Currently priced at $2.97, it's under the planned entry of $3.59, consolidating as it targets profit target 1 at $5.385 and profit target 2 at $7.18. Watch the planned entry closely. Expect price ranges to be between $2.29 and $3.65 for the month ahead, and up to $5.29 over the year, indicating room for potential growth as it aims for recovery. J-Star Holding Co., Ltd. manufactures bicycles and carbon fiber products. With a market cap of $14.04 million, today it saw its price drop to 70 cents, down 7.28%. However, trading volume spiked to 15 times average, indicating unusual interest and catching the attention of the early scanner as a potential runner. The stock has experienced a 3.7% rise over the past month, but is facing a year-long decline of 14.2%, trading within a 52-week range of 24 cents to $5.74. Positioned below its planned entry of $1.54.95, it targets profit target 1 at $2.32.43 and profit target 2 at $3.09.9. The planned entry level deserves close monitoring. Expected movements suggest a potential range of $0 to $1.56 over the next month, and an anticipated maximum of $3.50 in 1 year, suggesting a watchful approach as it aims to stabilize. Yimutian Inc. operates tankers for crude oil transport with a market cap of $1.53 million. The stock slipped 3.29% today, pressured by 35 times average volume, indicating significant interest, flagged by the early scanner. Over the past month, Yimutian has slumped 79.5%, with a staggering 99.8% drop over the last year, trading between $0.47 and $97.03.12 in its 52-week range. Currently at $0.47, it remains below the planned entry of $0.7464, with profit target 1 set at $1.1196 and profit target 2 at $1.4928. Watch the $0.7464 entry level closely. Expected 1-month price projected between $0.28 and $0.66, with a year-long view estimating maximum growth potential of $1.13. As the company works to stabilize from losses, retaining attention around the entry remains key. Intercont Cayman Limited provides maritime shipping services globally, engaging in time charter and vessel management. With a market cap of $4.90 million, its share price today sits at $2.98. Today's move comes from heightened interest, noted with 131 times average volume, and flagged as a potential runner by the early scanner. Over the past month, the stock is up 21.1%, but down 79.3% over the last year. The RSI is neutral at 54. Currently below its planned entry of $3.78, the stock has potential to reach profit target 1 at $5.67, a 90.3% move, and profit target 2 at $7.56. Watch for the stock to hold the entry and build toward the targets. Expected ranges indicate volatility: $1.28 to $4.68 in a month, and $0 to $8.91 over the year. C3IS Inc. specializes in seaborne transportation, offering services to dry bulk charterers and oil producers. With a market cap of $1.21 million and a current price of $2.23, today's slight dip comes alongside 329 times average trading volume, indicating a robust interest flagged by the early scanner. While the stock has faced a 99.1% decline over the past year, its 1-month performance shows a decline of 32.8%, with an RSI of 26, indicating an oversold condition. Currently priced below the entry of $2.45, the distance to profit target 1 at $3.675 is 64.8%, and profit target 2 at $4.90 presents a 119.7% upside. The expected ranges are $1 to $3.46 over the next month, and $0 to $6.44 within a year. Holding the entry could suggest future upward momentum. CDT Equity Inc. identifies and develops therapeutic assets for biopharmaceuticals, with a market cap of $3.50 million and a current price at 72 cents. Today's move was prompted by a significant upward momentum, noted with 153 times average volume, hinting at a potential breakout situation flagged by the early scanner. The stock has suffered a hefty decline of 98.5% over the past year, with a more recent one-month drop of 61.1% and an RSI of 30, marking it as oversold. Currently trading well below its planned entry of $2.68, it's a substantial 458.3% to profit target 1 at $4.02 and 644.4% to profit target 2 at $5.36. The expected price ranges suggest volatility: 39 cents to $1.05 in a month, and $0 to $1.86 over the year. Monitoring for stabilization at entry could present an opportunity. Propant Biopharma Inc. focuses on developing cancer treatment solutions with a market cap of $3.08 million and a current share price of $1.35. Today's 8.85% increase is backed by extraordinary trading volume, soaring to 154,113 times the average, highlighting a strong interest level identified by the early scanner. Despite struggling with a 93.5% drop in the past year, the stock has seen a one-month decline of 42.6%, with an RSI of 28, indicating an oversold status. At this time, the share price is below the planned entry of $3.05, representing a significant 238.9% to profit target 1 at $4.75 and 351.9% to profit target 2 at $6.10. The expected price volatility forecast is to range from 86 cents to $1.84 in a month, and $0 to $3.01 in the coming year. Retaining above the entry might be crucial for a positive trend. Arcadia Biosciences Inc. develops plant-based products with a market cap of $1.86 million and a current price of 90 cents. Notably, today's price represents a move fueled by extremely high volume, approximately 14,198 times the average, signaling significant interest, and classified as a potential runner by the early scanner. Over the past year, the stock has dipped 76.5%, reflecting a one-month decrease of 14.8%, with an RSI of 46, indicating a neutral pattern. The share price is currently below the planned entry of $1.1505, with 91.1% upside to profit target 1 at $1.7258, and 154.8% to profit target 2 at $2.301. The expected price ranges indicate volatility, projecting between 68 cents and $1.13 in the next month, and 11 cents to $1.70 over the year. Watch for any stabilization at entry to spark further interest. TMD Energy Limited provides marine fuel bunkering services with a market cap of $21.44 million and a current share price of 91 cents. The price increase today reflects a substantial interest indicated by 6 times the average volume, coupled with a projection of roughly 18% upside potential by the early scanner. The stock has performed uniquely this year, showing a 17.1% rise, suggesting upward momentum, while the last month exhibited a decline of 9%, and an RSI of 64 indicates it may be nearing overbought territory. Currently trading above the planned entry of 0.8975, profit target 1 at 1.3463 lies 47.9% away, while profit target 2 at 1.795 presents a potential 97.3% gain. The expected ranges suggest considerable volatility ahead, predicting between $0 and $2.06 over the month, and $0 to $4.55 within a year. It's constructive if price maintains above entry. Robin Energy Limited operates in the global shipping sector, focusing on LP